Hello guys, you are watching Vijay's Classroom. So today we are discussing about the syllabus of the GATE Computer Science. So we have discussed the syllabus of GATE Computer Science Digital Logic. So digital logic is a very important subject. This is a basic subject of computer science. Every computer science student must know this subject. So and we can easily score 5 to 6 marks, which comes in the GATE examination easily. So the syllabus we can cover that the basics of gate means we have to cover that the gates are NAND gate, NOT gate, basic gate, AND gate, OR gate. So all types of gate we have to cover in the basics of gates. Then we have the boolean algebra key maps from this. Then we have the number systems. We have converted there are separate number systems are there, binary, octal, hexadecimal. um, we have covered also this in the number system. And also the combinational circuit, there is the two types of circuits is there, combinational circuit and sequential circuit. So for combinational circuit, marks, demarks, decoder and gate, ADA subtractor, all these things are present in the combinational circuit. And sequential circuit, from this we have covered the flip flop latches, D flip flop. There are different type of flip flops is there. So from this we have to cover the sequential circuit. So these 5 to 6 topics are there in the digital electronics syllabus. So this is very important and very easily scored subject. So we are covered the all the details lecture in later. So today we are starting that is the digital electronics as digital electronics. So you are thanks for watching. You are keep watching my channel to further update. Thanks for watching.